Hey everyone, I will start right away by showing you how to create that cool pop effect you saw in the thumbnail of this video. I have already opened a blank canvas on Canva and mine is 1920 x 1080, but the size doesn't really matter. I go to my upload section and you can upload any image by clicking on uploads. I've already done this and chosen this picture. I make the photo bigger and then I click on edit photo and then on BG remover. It's important to know that you can only use this feature if you have a pro account. You need to make sure your photo becomes transparent. If you have a free Canva account and want to remove a background, I recommend using the website Remove BG. I will put a link in the description of this video. And as you can see now, the photo is now transparent, so the background is gone. Then next I click on elements and search for different backgrounds. I search for the term background disco and then I click on photos and select the backgrounds. I enlarge the background and then I do the right click with my mouse, and if everything is correct, a menu should appear. I click on layer and then show all layers. Canva will now display all the layers I have, and I make sure the disco background becomes the first layer by dragging it down. Then again in the element search bar I look for a frame. I'm using a Polaroid frame, but you can use any frame you like. I choose graphics and then I select a graphic frame that's free. As you can see, if the photo has a crown icon, it means only Canva Pro users can use these images. I select the Polaroid photo and I make it smaller. And then I lock the Polaroid photo, and then again I do the right click on my mouse, and you have to make sure you do this when you stand on a photo, otherwise you won't see the menu. And then I go to show all layers, and now I enlarge the second layer with the model so it slightly sticks out of the Polaroid frame, so as you can see. And to create that pop effect you have to put the picture a little bit out of the frame or over the frame. And then I copy the photo and then I pasted it. I use this shortcut on my keyboard to paste the photo. And then I select the photo or layer 4 and place it exactly over layer 2, so the photo matches the one underneath. I lock this image and then I select layer 2 and then I make sure it becomes invisible. And next I select the background photo, in my case is that the disco photo, and I make it smaller. I ensure that all layers fit behind the Polaroid photo, and then I select the first layer and unlock it so I can edit the photo. And now you will see the pop effects taking shape. I will give the background a better color so you can really see that effect. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I do my best to assist you if you face any issues. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and don't forget to give it a like and consider subscribing.